Hi, I'm Matt Buckley, principal at Carver Elementary School, and we're excited today because we are having our STEM Extravaganza. This has been a culmination of working with the Arizona Science Center and having their team come down and present a number of workshops for all of our students here at the school, from kinder all the way up to 5th grade, and with every student involved today. When you're named after George Washington Carver, science is a major part of what we do here and a major thing that we're proud of at Carver. We have a tradition of that, and we want to continue that.
Hi, my name is Holly and I work for the Arizona Science Center, and today what we're doing is we're talking about ecology and sustainability. Ecology, just like looking at the relationship between different organisms and how they kind of help each other through nature, and sustainability is just really trying to figure out how ways we can really save our planet. The kids will be going through different stations, being able to do different activities that relate back to ecology and sustainability throughout the day.
Hello, my name is Santiago and I'm in 4th grade. Right now, we're learning about all types of clouds, groundwater, rivers, lakes, and oil, lasers, and animals.
Hi, I'm Maxine. I'm in 3rd grade. We're learning about geology. We learned 3 different kinds of rocks: igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary.
Hey, my name is Mark and I'm with Arizona Science Center down in Phoenix. Today we're here doing our really cool science assembly. We're talking about the states of matter, and we're showing how those 3 states of matter can be manipulated using liquid nitrogen.
Oh my god! That's actually water. Yeah, that's actually nice. It's probably water. Can I help?
What is our liquid nitrogen doing? When make an observation, raise your hand and tell me one thing it's doing. My friend in the teal right
It's
there.
building out gas.
Okay, right here. What's it doing?
Gas.
She says it's boiling. What else? Give me yeah, what's it doing right here? She said it's popping. Good. What else? Right, right.
The molecules are jiggling.
The molecules are jiggling. I like that. Right there.
Hi, my name is Erin. I'm from the Arizona Science Center, and in our class today we are actually making stomp rockets. With the stomp rockets, it helps the kids learn about aerodynamics as well as alternative fuel sources, and just a fun way to learn about rockets as well as physically making them and stomping them and seeing how they work. And if it doesn't work, how to change it, and if it does work, how they can make it better.
Hello, my name's Stacey Bosma. I'm from the Arizona Science Center, and today I was able to bring a workshop to the teachers here, and we're looking at how we can integrate STEM with literature, the engineering design process, and really giving students hands-on experience of building their own models and developing their own plans, and going back and revising and tying it in with that literature component to hopefully increase their desire to want to read.
Hi, I'm Mr. Elgood. I'm the Education Professionals teacher over at Kofa High School with the Union High School District. We are a CTE program for students who are looking into pursuing the education career post-high school and going into that into college. I've got 11 students here actually from Kofa High School today. Normally have about 23. We're partnering with the school and the STEM program from Arizona, and this has just been a fantastic experience. My kids are working with class, learning classroom management, but they're also getting to see the experiences between science, making it interactive, kids learning it, and then actually assessing that learning, and it's been a fantastic experience for my students overall.
Hi, I'm Melanie Rodriguez. I'm from Kofa High School, and I'm part of Education Professions chapter. My favorite part about being at the school, besides working with the amazing students, is seeing when the students accomplish something and seeing their face brighten up.
This has truly been one community pursuing excellence in our STEM Day today, and we are excited to bring this to our students to give them this hands-on activity and really explore the different areas of science that they're interested in.